Looking for something compact yet loaded with serious power? Today, we're covering the 10 most powerful mini crossbows available on Amazon that you absolutely need to know about. Perfect for target shooting, survival enthusiasts, or anyone wanting portability combined with pinpoint precision, these compact yet ultra-powerful crossbows deliver impressive performance. We searched through countless listings to find the absolute best models, from sleek tactical designs to high-performance beasts. Stay tuned as we break down the features, specifications, and what makes each one a worthy addition to your collection. Number 1. EK Archery Revo7. The EK Archery Revo7 is a compact repeating crossbow engineered for rapid action and advanced tactical applications. It features a unique pivoting front lever cocking mechanism that allows smooth and efficient cocking while keeping targets in sight. Although equipped with standard 90-pound limbs, optional 30, 60, or 120-pound limbs can easily be swapped in. The Revo7 launches bolts at 235 feet-pound-second, using the standard limbs, and up to 250 feet-pound-second with heavier limbs installed. Its 7-shot magazine can expand to hold 12 rounds with an upgrade, enabling rapid-fire shooting, while redesigned 6.5-inch carbon bolts with updated field points improve accuracy. A full-length Picatinny rail, quick-change limb system, and tool-free disassembly make the Revo7 highly customizable and portable. Featuring dual-sided safety controls and empty shot prevention, it remains a dependable and secure platform. Priced at $499, the Revo7 stands among the fastest, most versatile, and innovative repeating crossbows available today in one remarkably compact package. Number 2. Steambow AR6 Stinger II. The Steambow AR6 Stinger II is an incredibly lightweight, accurate, fast, and tactical repeating crossbow built for practical rapid-fire shooting. Open sights integrated into the magazine and a top Picatinny rail for red dots allow users to customize their aiming setup easily. A full-length lower Picatinny rail supports foregrips or tactical lights, while additional external ports accommodate optional lasers and flashlights. An adjustable AR-15/M4 style buttstock improves comfort and control, and an integrated accessory compartment stores a red laser sight. The Stinger II combines a 6-arrow magazine, 55-pound limbs with optional 90-pound upgrades, and a vertical foregrip for ultra-fast follow-up shots inside a compact 2.6-pound frame. Measuring 21.9 to 24.9 inches long, this $299.99 crossbow sold out quickly. It delivers exceptional portability thanks to its compact design without sacrificing tactical performance. Number 3. Ballista Bat Reverse Draw Crossbow Pistol. Using advanced reverse draw technology, the Ballista Bat Reverse Draw Crossbow Pistol delivers serious portability and impressive power. With its forward limb arrangement, it achieves an extended 8.25-inch power stroke that provides faster bolt speeds and reduced vibration compared to other compact crossbows available today. Despite measuring only 16 inches long, 5 inches wide while cocked, and weighing roughly 3 pounds, it delivers a massive 150-pound draw weight capable of launching compatible bolts up to 420 feet-pound-second. A built-in self-retracting cord tensioner lowers cocking effort to around 50 pounds, enabling silent and rapid loading within 3 seconds. The integrated Picatinny rail allows simple mounting of optics or lasers, while its mostly metal construction guarantees long-term durability. Whether intended for hunting, bow fishing, or casual target shooting, this compact powerhouse fits perfectly inside a backpack. Number 4. WT Mini Striker. The WT Mini Striker from William Tell Archery is a compact but extremely powerful pistol crossbow designed for versatility, speed, and modern performance. Featuring draw weights ranging from 120 to 125 pounds and reaching 150 pounds in the reverse draw version, The Mini Striker delivers impressive velocities between 220 and 330 feet-pound-second, with lighter bolts reaching 420 feet-pound-second in the reverse draw configuration. Highly portable, the WT Mini Striker weighs only 2.46 pounds and measures just 5 inches axle to axle while cocked. It includes an integrated, nearly silent crank system with 3 times mechanical advantage, reducing cocking effort to only 40 pounds for smooth loading. Built for target shooting, fishing, small game hunting, and even home defense with optional upgrades, it supports various accessories including repeating magazines, buttstocks, and red or green dot sights. Compact at 15 inches long with a 7-inch power stroke and 25.25 feet-pounds kinetic energy, it remains a lightweight precision powerhouse. Number 5. Adarini 3D Printed Crossbow Pistol. The Adarini 3D Printed Crossbow Pistol is a compact and innovative repeating crossbow designed specifically for rapid-fire action and portability. Featuring an integrated quiver capable of holding 6 bolts, it can operate using either TheraBand gold rubber or a standard pistol crossbow limb. The ergonomic grip and built-in cocking lever provide approximately 4-fold mechanical advantage, allowing smooth and effortless loading. Compatible with standard 160 to 163 mm bolts, it supports both manual and optional ammo clip loading. The pistol includes 2 Picatinny rails for flashlights, lasers, or red dot sights alongside a standard open sight setup. Measuring 345mm long or 520mm with stock attached, and weighing just 0.6 kg or 0.9 kg fully equipped, it generates up to 11 joules of arrow energy, making it an extremely versatile and high-performance compact crossbow for target shooting, sport use, or small game hunting. Number 6. FX Ranchero Arrow. The FX Ranchero Arrow is a compact but highly powerful PCP arrow launching pistol created for precision shooters and serious hunters. Based on FX's famous PCP platform, it launches over-the-barrel arrow bolts at speeds reaching 240 feet-pound-second while delivering impressive energy from an ultra-portable frame. Although its sleek tactical styling might appear gimmicky, the Ranchero Arrow is genuinely capable of humanely taking small game up to raccoon size within its effective range. Each 230-grain bolt fits over a hollow barrel tube, providing excellent stabilization and tight accuracy. Shooters can achieve up to 8 full power shots per fill, with effective hunting ranges around 30 yards and even farther distances for target shooting. Compatible with standard broadheads and field points, this unique $1,099.99 pistol delivers unmatched power, portability, and precision in the world of compact hunting tools. Number 7. Vlad Crossbow. The Vlad Crossbow is a compact, high-performance repeating crossbow pistol engineered for adaptability, speed, and power. Available with either 60-pound or 90-pound throwing arms, it achieves bolt velocities of 165 foot-pounds per second and 215 foot-pounds per second respectively, generating up to 21 joules of energy. Its 8-bolt magazine allows rapid follow-up shots, while the included speed loader quickly reloads another 8 bolts and clips conveniently onto one of the dual-side Picatinny rails. The Vlad comes equipped with a premium red dot sight, but can also be aimed using the built-in front and rear sights. Measuring 25.6 inches long, 17 inches wide, and weighing only 4.1 pounds, it delivers smooth cocking, excellent serviceability, and lightning-fast firing sequences. Priced at $374.99, it is ideal for small game hunting and target shooting. Number 8. Lancet F1 Crossbow. The Lancet F1 Crossbow is a premium hunting platform utilizing advanced torsion drive micro-limb technology to deliver incredible power and rifle-like handling inside an ultra-narrow frame. Measuring only 3.9 inches wide whether cocked or uncocked, it easily clears dense brush without snagging. However, its compact profile hides a serious 170-pound draw weight and blazing bolt speeds reaching 370 feet/second with a 325-grain bolt, thanks to its impressive 24-inch power stroke. Weighing 9.9 pounds, this crossbow features durable steel microlimbs that improve longevity and the useful U-tune system for rapid field tuning. A premium trigger tech 2.5 pounds. Frictionless single-stage trigger guarantees crisp and consistent shooting performance. Camo swap customization options allow the Lancet F1 to combine adaptability, precision, and power into one elite modern crossbow platform. Number 9. EK Cobra Siege 300. The EK Archery Cobra Siege 300 is a next-generation compact compound crossbow built upon the hugely successful original R9 platform. The Siege 300 maintains the R9's rapid loading and impressive accuracy, while adding an upgraded, easy-to-operate cocking lever inspired by the same design. Its adjustable AR-style stock and comfortable foregrip provide outstanding stability and control during shoulder-mounted shooting. Adjustable draw weights between 118 and 150 pounds allow the Siege 300 to launch arrows at speeds up to 300 feet/second using an 8.25-inch power stroke. It arrives fully equipped with everything required for immediate shooting, including carbon bolts, illuminated reticle sight, and shoulder sling. Measuring only 6.875 inches while cocked and weighing just 7.5 pounds, the Cobra Siege 300 balances portability, precision, and power perfectly. Priced at $548.17, this premium tactical crossbow was designed for serious performance. Number 10. Excalibur TwinStrike. The Excalibur TwinStrike completely redefines modern crossbow technology by delivering a level of confidence never previously available thanks to its revolutionary dual-shot system. As the world's first over-under dual-arrow crossbow, the TwinStrike allows hunters to fire an immediate follow-up shot without reloading, providing a massive advantage during high-pressure situations. Powered by Excalibur's advanced dual-fire technology, the TwinStrike features two independent 4-pound frictionless triggers, each operating its own string system for reliable and accurate shooting at speeds up to 360 feet/second. The balanced over-under rail configuration and quad-limb construction improve stability while minimizing weight. Safety performance is exceptional because of ceasefire technology, preventing firing unless a properly seated arrow is loaded. Weighing 7.75 pounds and measuring 33.375 inches long, the TwinStrike combines durability and precision into one groundbreaking package. Price at $2,099.99. Thanks for watching. These 10 powerful mini crossbows prove that huge performance can absolutely come in compact packages. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss our newest gear picks. Leave a comment below telling us which crossbow impressed you the most. Stay sharp, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.